Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful SEO tools out there, Ahrefs. Keyword research is a fundamental part of any successful CEO or SEO strategy, and Ahrefs is known for its expansional keyword research capabilities. Whether you are seasoned SEO pro or just starting out, this video will show you how to use Ahrefs to uncover the best keyword for your website. So let's dive in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full
Let's dive
experience. First thing first, all I need you to do guys is launch your browser. Go for example and open your Google Chrome, Opera or Firefox, and then go to the URL section. Then search for Ahrefs, and then this page shall be open for you. Now let me just turn it to English page, so I have the English web page. Here it is, and this is the page. So only for you to know, this tool is actually paid. So if you click here on pricing, so if we went to the menu, clicked on pricing, you'll find here all the pricings that you can get from this website and all the packs. There is the light one, standard one, advanced one, and the enterprise one. Each one of these has its own features. So you can go here, compare them with each other, and then choose the one that will be compatible with your workflow. Now, after you choose which one you'd like to do or which one you would like to go with, all you need to do is go ahead and click on sign up, create your account, which is pretty easy. For example, here you can just get this light one, so subscribe, and then you'll have to get your pay annually to get your 2 months for free. So you can get it like that, and you will get for like 990 per year. So all you need to do now is go ahead here, choose which kind of payment method you'd like, and then here the email address of yours. So for example, when you choose the payment method and then here you put your email, so let's put it really quick. Here we go, gmail.com. Here I'm going to click on this, then click on continue. Then of course these are like the terms and conditions, so all you need to do is go all the way down, and then click on accept and continue. Here, they will ask you to put the first name, last name, and the company name, and then your phone number. So you can just put something random if you'd like. And here, like a phone number. Then click on next. After that, this puts here like some informations. Pick an option, you choose whatever. And then finally here puts the VAT number. So for me, let me just choose here Morocco. So let me just find it. Here it is. And let's click on next. Now, which is the last step, all you need to do is put here your card number, expiry, and CVV. Then after that, click on next, and you shall send the money and your account shall be created. Now, after you have created your own account and you bought your plan that is specifically good for you. Now, let's go to the tools that this website will actually give you. Here you'll have Dashboard, Site Explorer, Keywords Explorer, Site Audit, Rank Tracker, and Contest Explorer. Let's go with Dashboard. Here as you can see, that's how the dashboard is going to look like. When you first open it, and then you add your websites into it. So for example, here, this is the website, which is their website, for example. You will get like directly all the analytics about your website, the health score, the domain rating, referring domains, backlinks, how much backlinks do you have, organic traffic, so how many traffic do you get, and the organic keywords that you have. So these are all the information that you can get only from the dashboard, which is the overview, like the first thing that you see when you open the dashboard. This is like some specific details. Also, you can see here the countries that are the most visiting your website. For example, here there is United States, India, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada, and then the others are like randoms. Here, as you can see, also there is like kind of like the total of clicks, total impression that you get on your website. So, for example, here the purple one is the impression, And if you want all the way to the left, the clicks one is the blue one. So here you will get it daily and etc. And of course you can even choose average CTR and average position to add them to the graph so you can have multiple things. But the most thing that you have to use is these two because they are the most important ones. Here if you want more the way down, you will find here like some folders that you can add like to make it more organized. So the dashboard is not really random. You just have to add websites and it will be all random. You can actually create folders, and in these folders you can add your websites into them. So each folder will be specified for a website. Each folder you will have its own SEO optimization, its own keyword explorer, its own website. So that's what this tool is actually going to give you. Now we go into the next tool, which is Site Explorer. The Site Explorer is pretty much the same as the dashboard, which is the first thing, but more detailed. As you can see here, there is the Ahrefs rank, which is the rank in this website. Here the UR and the DR. Here the backlinks that you have, referring domains. So the same thing that you have talked about in the beginning, but here you'll find graphs. You will find another graph, and here you'll find how much traffic you had today in the average 7 days, the average of 1 month, and the average of 3 months. Also, you can have new backlinks. You can get to see your lost backlinks and the broken backlinks. Also, there is some other things from organic search, so you can get some new organic search, see your top pages, the top subfolders, and the top subdomains that you have linked with your domain. And here, of course, you can get the best bylinks, the best bylinks growth, and the top content. So this is pretty much it. As you can see here, this is like a graphic to analyze your things. And for the organic search, you will find the organic keywords. Here, as you can see, for example, you will be able to search for a keyword in your website and see the volume that it can actually get. So, for example, this is the keyword. It has 222k volume, which is pretty decent. For the key day, which is the competitive, it is 18. So you can use this keyword and you can compete with other people. I highly suggest when you see 100, just stay away from this keyword because it's gonna be so hard, like impossible for you to compete using the keyword that they have 100 in the KD. Here is the CPC cost, which is the cost per click. For example, if you had an ad in your website with this keyword in it, you will have $0.2 per click. This you will find the traffic and here the position. And of course here you will see all the URLs that has this keyword in them. So for example, you have this keyword in your homepage, you will find it in your homepage. If there is in another page, you will find it in another page. So it is much more detailed as you can see. Now with the final thing, which is Keyword Explorer. So here guys, you can actually search for keywords. As you can see, it will help you like find thousands of keyword suggestions. It will go through 171 countries supported, 10 different search engines from Google, like Bing, Baidu, YouTube, even Amazon, and much more. And of course, you will have accurate search volumes, keyword difficulty score. So you'll have like the difficulty, which is that I showed you before, which is the K day. So if it was like 100, you should stay away from it. If it was like below 50, it is like the average. So you can compete with the other people. Here it is, the final tool, which is the feature, which is clicks metric, which is simply a high search volume doesn't mean people click on the search results. So Ahrefs is the only tool that shows you the estimated number of clicks for your keywords. So how much people are actually potentially going to click on your keywords. You will have see the brand topic for your target keyword, advanced SEO metrics, keywords list, and SERP or Orion position history. So all of that guys, you will have it in the dashboard if you actually paid for the plans And this is really helpful if you really know how to read this, how to analyze stuff, how to use these information to upgrade your website. You will go really, really far with your business. Trust me with that, guys. You will not regret it. So, guys, that was it with today's video. I thank you a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.